नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Department of Pathology. Our today's topic is pinworm. Pinworm is also called the Antrobius vermicularis. The pinworm are one of the most common intestinal nematode. The adult form inhabit the cecum and the colon. Right after mating, the male die. Therefore, the male worm are rarely seen. The female worm migrate out the anus, depositing their egg on the perianal skin, and humans get the infection by mouth or by auto-infection. First, we will talk about the morphology. The adult look like a pin and are white in color. The female form measures at around 8 to 13 millimeter in size and it is fusiform in shape. The male adult is only 2 to 5 millimeter. The tail of the male is curved. They die right after mating. Thus, the male are rarely seen. And the interior end tapers and is flanked on each side by cuticular extension called the cephalic alley. The esophagus is slender, terminating in a prominent posterior bulb, which is called the esophageal bulb. The cephalic alley and esophageal bulb are important in identification of the species. The eggs 50 to 60 millimeter by 25 micron meter, permeation seed-like, colorless and transparent, thick and asymmetric shell. Content is a larva. See, in the adult of Enterobius vermicularis, there are two bulbs. One is the cephalic alley and second is the esophageal bulb. You can see it in the next photo. There is a cephalic alley and there is a esophageal bulb. Now, eggs of the E. vermicularis are 50 to 60 meter by 25 micron meter, persimmon seed-like and colorless and transparent, thick and asymmetrical shell. Content is a larva. The anal smear shows large number of Enterobius eggs under the lower power. In the background are also two Escherichia eggs. The life cycle is site of inhabitation is a cecum and the colon. Infective stage is the embryonated egg. Infective route is by mouth and without intermediate host and reservoir host. Actually, man is the only host. The lifespan of the female is about 1 to 2 months. You can see this in picture. We will start from the here. Humans are infected when they ingest the egg in the contaminated food or in contaminated infected juveniles. These eggs hatches in the small intestine and male and female worm migrate to the large intestine and reaches the sexual maturity. The female crawl out the anus usually during the early morning hours and deposit the egg on the perianal skin. There is a retroinfection. If the egg remain on the perianal skin long enough, they will hatches and the juveniles will crawl back into the anus and convert it into the mature adults. And second route of infection is the egg are deposited on the perianal skin and eggs become infective within 6 hours and hands, bad clothing, bad linen, clothes, diapers, kitchen counters, and clothing should school rooms, desktop, etc. are contaminated with these infective eggs and humans again when ingested get the infection. Thus the cycle goes on repeatedly. What is the symptomatology? About one third of the pinworm infected persons are asymptomatic and the adult form may cause slight irritation of the intestinal mucosa. The major symptoms in the is the anal pleuritis, which associate with the nocturnal migration of the gravid female from the anus and deposition of egg in the perianal fold of the skin. There is restlessness, nervousness, and irritability, probably resulting from the poor sleep association with anal pleuritis. There is highly itching. In young girls, migration of the worm may produce vaginitis and salpingitis or granuloma of the peritoneal cavity. You can see in this picture clearly the adult pinworms on the perianal skins. The diagnosis is depend on recovery of the characteristic egg. The eggs and the female adult can be removed from the fold of the skin in the perianal region by the use of cellophane tape method. The examination should be made in the morning before the patient has washed and defecated. And what is the treatment? Since the lifespan of the pinworm is less than 2 months, the major problem is reinfection. So albendazole is the drug of choice and repeated retreatment may be necessary for a radical cure. The prevention is treat the patient and career, individual health, public health, health education, and hygienic habits. One more topic, that is epidemiology. We just discussed for a few minutes the geographical distribution and cosmopolitan and temperate zone with about 30 to 50% of population is infected. It is more common in whites than colored people and more prevalent in children than adult. Anthrobiasis is the most common when people live under the crowded conditions such as the orphanages, kindergarten, and large families. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.